Hi guys, happy Monday. So today's going to seem like it's a lot, but it's really not. You're going to click on classwork, like we always do. And then the first thing I want you to do is I want you to scroll down to figurative language assignments. You're going to click on the figurative language PowerPoint. And it should bring up the Google slide notes that we have been taking over for figurative language. We're going to review them today very quickly so that you have been exposed to everything for tomorrow's assignment. So, let's take it into present mode. Okay. So, a simile. Remember that a simile compares two things with an element that's shared, and it uses the words like or as. For example, the cheese on this pizza is as hot as lava. Or, Jay went off like a rocket. A metaphor. A metaphor also compares two things, but it does not use the words like or as. For example, the calm lake was a mirror. Personification. This is my favorite one. Personification is giving human traits or characteristics to objects. This would be like talking, feelings, or being able to move. Like the leaves wave in the wind. Leaves don't have hands, so they can't wave. Hyperbole. This is my second favorite one. It's the obvious exaggeration used to emphasize a point or add excitement or humor to a story. For example, he is the worst person alive. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse right now. Okay, so hit exit. These are available to you, so you can look at them on the notes so you can review that for today. After you get done doing that, you are going to be doing chapter 17. It is the last chapter. We still have one more thing left to do tomorrow with the book. So chapter 17, you can either read on your own or follow along as I read it out loud to you. It goes by fairly quickly. After you get done reading chapter 17, then you do have questions. Notice that these questions go from chapters 15 through 17, so make sure you have that available to you. It does have multiple choice questions and true and false questions. But the ones I really want you to focus on is the short response. So what do you think it means to be a true friend? Okay, you need to make sure that you answer each part of the question and that you answer in complete sentences. Because several of you are struggling. Remember, a complete sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with punctuation. It has all 5 elements of the sentence. The next question is, how does Anne-Marie save the Rosins' lives? In your answer, you need to include the role of the mysterious package. And then you're going to compare and contrast 2 characters from the story. You have to name at least 3 similarities and 3 differences between them. So this is a really big question. After you get done, you'll hit submit. This assignment is worth 15 points. Okay, after you get done answering the questions, you're done for the day. Make sure that you hit submit on the Google form, and then when you click on this assignment, that you actually click on the Google form and hit submit there and in Google Classroom. As always, if you have questions, you shoot me an email. I do know that some of us are having internet issues. Hopefully it's not that bad this week. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.